use scientific notation to simplify 2,500,000 times 0.00003 all over 0.05 times 5 million. Write the answer in both scientific notation and standard notation. Let's begin here by writing our expression all in terms of scientific notation. So in the numerator, that 2,500,000 is 2.5 times 10 to the 6th power times our second factor we can write as 3 times 10 to the 3, 4, 5. That's 5 places, so 10 to the negative 5th. In the denominator, 0.05 is 5 times 10 to the negative 2, and 5 million is 5 times 10 to the 6th power. Now let's begin to multiply. We can multiply these factors in any order that we choose. So let's start with the 2.5 times 3, which is 7.5. 10 to the 6th times 10 to the 5th, adding exponents, is 10 to the 1st power. In the denominator, 5 times 5 is 25 times 10 to the negative 2 times 10 to the 6th, adding exponents, is 10 to the 4th. Now let's divide. 7.5 divided by that 25 is a 0.3. And using our quotient rule, 10 to the 1st over 10 to the 4th is 10 to the 1 minus 4, or negative 3 power. Now we'd like to write our answer both in scientific notation and in standard notation. As this is written, it's not quite in scientific notation because we don't have a digit to the left of that decimal point. So I'm going to take a step here and move that decimal point one place to the right. So this 0.3 we can write as 3 times 10 to the negative 1. Don't forget your times 10 to the negative 3. So in scientific notation form, this is 3 times 10 to the, adding exponents, negative 4th power. We'd also like to write that answer in standard notation, that is without our factor of 10 to the negative 4th. So let's take this decimal point and move it to the left 4 places, writing this answer in standard notation as a 0.0003. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. That's correct. And as we read this number, we would say that that is 3 10,000ths.